Hello everybody, in this video we're going to learn how to put text behind a moving object in Adobe Premiere Pro. Are you ready? Intro. Okay, we're in Premiere Pro and we have two files here. We have the video and we have the text. So the video is basically, as you can see, she's walking through the screen to the other side. Perfect. What we want is the text to be behind her, and while she's walking, the text start to appear. As you can see, if we put the text now, you're going to see the text in front of her. We don't want that. What we're going to use is a mask. What are we going to do? First, we go to the first frame, not the first frame where she appears, but the first frame when she's touching. There you go. She's touching the letters. Look, it's perfect. The letter go exactly as the curve here. So this is the first frame we want to mask, because then when she's walking, you can see that it's going to be revealing the text, right? You see, it's going to start to reveal the text. So we go to the first frame that we want to use the mask with, and then we come here, as you can see in the effect control, because we have selected the text. That's other thing I forgot to tell you. The mask has to be done in the text. So we have the text selected. We go to effect control, text, Slovenia says here, and we're going to do the mask. Okay, we take the pen and we're going to do a mask. To make the mask perfect, we're going to zoom in, maybe 200. Oh, 200 is perfect. So we're going to zoom in here. Here we can do a little curve. Okay, don't worry. Then we're going to fix it. We're going to do the mask. Then we can fix the mask. Okay. I think this one can go a little bit here. There you go. The curve. Don't worry, we're going to fix it. And then from here, we go all the way to here. There you go. Then we come here, straight to here. And then we come here. There you go. Perfect. So now let's fix this part. Let's zoom in a little bit more. There you go. We come here. Look, that was awful. We're going to go here. Let's fix this better. Much better. There you go. Let's see all the way down. Yeah, it's okay. The mask is okay. There you go. Now we're going to go to 200 like it was, so we can see the mask. As you can see, I don't mind this mask here, like the problem if it's not perfect or not. What I just want is the text. Now what we're going to do, because we want the text to go behind the image, right? And now it's in front, so we're going to invert it, okay? Now the text is behind the whole video, So what we're going to do is, every time she's going to walk, we're going to reveal the text, okay? So for that, we're going to put mask path. We create a path. There you go. Select the mask again, so it's not going anywhere. Then we come here and we're starting here. One frame forward, nothing happened. Another frame, there you go. What are we going to do is to move the mask with the frame. There you go. You see, now the image is appearing. Now we go again. Sorry, it moves every time. There you go. That's one frame more. So we move the mask again. Nice. Okay, don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect because she's moving fast. There's no details are not going to be visible. So we go one step forward. I think you are understanding why I'm doing frame by frame, right? As you can see, the way she's walking now, she's leaving this space here. So we're going to have to fix the space, right? So we have to move a little bit the mask to make it perfect. As you can see, we move here. I know it's a lot of work, I understand, and it's going to take you a few minutes to do this, but it's like this. If you want something nice, you have to work with it, no? There you go. One step more, and we're going to do one frame more. So now you got the point. I'm going to start going all the way forward until the end, so you don't wait for me, and then I'll show you what is going to happen. Okay, I finished. There you go. Now let's go to fit in the screen so we can see better. Let's see what we did, okay? There you go. She's walking and she's revealing the text. Nice. As you can see, it's as simple as creating a mask in the text and then make a mask path. It's better if you do it manually. There is here an automatic mask path, backward and forward. You have to go forward, but it didn't work properly for me. It's not perfect, so I better do it manually. It's gonna take you a few minutes, but it doesn't matter. You see that it's very nice at the end. It gives you a very professional video. Look at this, it's so nice. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, and if you have any suggestions for future tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. So subscribe, and until next week.